Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the online classes. As today discuss about the mensuration part 4, part 1, part 2, part 3, I have completed that. Part 1, part 2 discuss about that formulas. Part 3 discuss about that second subtopic of mensuration. Now, today discuss about that is a third one, surface areas of combination of the solids. Okay guys, today discuss about the combination of the solids that find out the surface areas. In this session discussing. So this one is also depends on the first two sessions. I mean part 1, part 2. Why? Because it's the formulas. So in this how you do some steps is keep your minds. What the step? In the sum, what is the combination of solids first you find out? That's most important. What type of solids are given? How to the combination? That's first important step. Next one, immediately remember that the combination of solids forms. Okay guys, suppose example, this is a cylinder, this is coal, these two are the combination. So cylinder, coal combination. Immediately to find out that the coal formulas and cylinder formulas. Next one, suppose sometimes is given this model, this is also joint. It is also one of the combination of the solid. It's a form of the combination of the solid. So immediately remember that hemisphere formulas, red color is a cylinder formulas, and green color is a coal formulas you find out. So what formulas you remember that surface areas? Why is heading of the surface areas? So surface area of the hemisphere, surface area of the cylinder, surface area of the coal. Surface two types, outer surface area and total surface area. Both are remember that. Sometimes it's given like this. See, this is a toy. This is a toy. It's a cone. It's a water drop. Here it is a circular tent. Okay, it is a oil. These are combination of the solids. So I write the one sum on the blackboard. First you study that sum. It's very, very important. A toy is in the form of a coal mounted on a hemisphere. The diameter of the base and the height of the core are 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively. Determine the surface area of the toy. So use pi is equal to 3.14. If sum is very big, that solution is very easy. When it is easy, first you study the sum. A toy, immediately strike out. The part 2 session I have come showing one chart, the combination of the solid chart. So toy is there in the chart. Yes, immediately strike out. Toy means it's a combination of, see the form of a cone, mountain or a hemisphere like this. Example, just only it's a model. Yes, it is a toy. Is a cone. The green color is a cone. See, this green color is a cone, and downside is one there, that is a hemisphere. Yellow color is a hemisphere. It's a combination. The toy is a combination of the two solids indirectly. Now, see here the diameter of the base and the height of the cone. Diameter of the base, see this one. What is the base of the cone? Circle. The diameter is there. What is diameter is, how much is given here? Diameter is 6 centimeters. Height is a 4 centimeters. This height is a 4 centimeters. Respectively, determine the surface area of the toy. So you find out the total surface area. That means you take it the green color curved surface area and the yellow color curved surface area. So these two are added. Green color curved surface area and yellow color curved surface area should be added. You get the surface area of this toy. Right. Now see. First, just I draw the one rough diagram. Yes, this is a here mountain. Here a mountain means mixing here. A mixing sphere and cone, and this one is a cone. This one is a cone. This one is a hemisphere. Hemisphere. Yes. First identification measurements. This is the height, height of the cone. This is a radius of the cone. Radius of the cone. So the radius, how much is there here? See, height of the cone and the diameter of base. The diameter of the base is the diameter means you draw the total, this total, that is called diameter. The diameter is equal to, diameter of base is equal to 6 centimeters. Height of the cone is equal to, h is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, now first you find out the lateral surface area of the cone. Why? We are the first on the solid cone solid. Now I do the sum. Dimensions of cone. Dimensions of cone. Dimensions of cone. Yes, what the dimensions of the cone? Height is there. Height is equal to 4 centimeters. Diameter is the small, that is represent D. How much D is there? 6 centimeters. Then you find out that radius R is equal to D by 2, 6 by 2, that is equal to 3 centimeters. What you want to find out? Curved surface area of cone. Once remember, see the chart, this is a cone, sixth one is a cone. You want curved surface area. Curved surface area, another name, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, the cone formula, pi r l. Pi value is given, the pi is equal to 3.14. Already given the pi value. So 3.1. R is ready, H is ready, but not L value. Now you find out the first L value. How to find out the L value? See, here form one of the right angle triangle. This is called slant height. the cone, the slant height, how to find out? L square is equal to h square plus r square. H square plus r square. So L square is equal to h value here 4. So 4 square plus r value here, you find out r value, that is a 3. R is equal to 3 centimeters. So 3 square. L square is equal to 4 square, you write that 2 times. 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3. Now L square is equal to 4 square means 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 3s are 9. So 16 plus 9, 25. Therefore L is equal to root 25. L is equal to root 5 into 5, that is a 5 centimeters. So L is equal to 5 centimeters. Next one, lateral surface area of the hemisphere. That is a 2 pi r square. Lateral surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Now see surface area of toy. Guys, surface area of toy. It is a combination of cone and hemisphere. That's why you take it lateral surface area of cone. CSA of cone plus CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay, what is the CSA of cone formula? Pi r L plus CSA of hemisphere formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. In this case, r is a common of in both solids. See, it's a combination, mounted same, it's a combination. So that's why, see here, simply common one, pi r is common. Pi r is common. What is remaining here? L. What is remaining here? 2r is remaining. Once remember, pi r into L, pi r L. Pi r into 2r, 2 pi r square. Okay? So, pi value is already given, that is a 3.14. Here pi value is already given, that value is equal to 3.14. So 3.14 into r is equal to 3 into L value find out, that is equal to 5. That's value substitution in this bracket. That's L value is equal to 5 plus 2 r is equal to 3. Now, so these two are the multiplication. 3 4s are 12, 1 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 3 3s are 9. Here two numbers after one decimal there, that's you write the decimal. 9.42 into 5 plus 2 3s are 6. So 9.42, 5 plus 6 11, 5 plus 6 11. So multiplication, 9 point is limited, 9.42 into 11. So 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4, 1 9s are 9. Leave it one place. 2 4 9, 2 6 13 1 10. Here two numbers after point is there. That's why I write that after two numbers fixed one point. That means 103.62. It is a surface area of the toy. So area of units, squares. So what are the measurements of length is centimeters? So centimeters square. Guys, the sum is yes, easy or tough? I think it is very easy. When it is very easy, just you find what the combination you find out. The combination formulas you are remember that it easily do it. Okay guys, now I do one more sum in this subtopic. A solid in the form of a right circular cylinder with hemisphere at one end and a core at the other end. The radius of the common base is 8 centimeters and the height of cylindrical and conical portions are 10 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. So find the total surface area of the solid. Pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. Sum is very large. Sum is very large, but the solution is very easy. First, what the combination? First, identification. Here, form one solid. What the combination of the solid? So immediately find out the surface, curved surface area. Just you are find out. See, first you study the sum. A solid is the form of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere of one end and a cone of other end. So, just to guess it, this is a cylinder. Okay, here the cylinder's two ends are there. This is down end, this top end. One end is a with hemisphere. This yellow color is a hemisphere, join it. Another end is a core, so join with core. One end is join it core, another end is join it hemisphere. This is a combination. Guys, please observe in this combination. This is hemisphere, yellow color. This red color is the cylinder. Green color is a core. I want total surface area of this solid. It's form of one of the solid. I want this combination of the solid area. How to find? So, lateral surface area of the hemisphere, lateral surface area of the cylinder, lateral surface area of the cone. You are adding, you get the total surface area of that solid. Okay? See. First, I draw the diagram, roughly diagram, that's one. That is better. So, I draw the diagram, see. This is a cylinder. White color is a cylinder. Yes, one more color is applied here. This blue color is a cone. Blue color is a cone. Yes. Next one. This orange, like this light green, it is a hemisphere. It is a hemisphere. Yes, in this diagram, it's form of one solid. That's what the combination of the solid. One is a cone. Next one is a cylinder. The third one is a hemisphere. Hemisphere. Now your identification of measurements. Here some measurements are there. This is a conical portion. This is a cylindrical portion. This is a hemisphere portion. Now see, as higher, that's first one. The radius of common base is 8 centimeters. Very good. Common base, cone and cylinder common base, this one. Check it. This is a circle. This is also circle. What the common is 2 are meter. This portion and this portion meet, that is called a common. Common base. The common base is here. The radius is given. How much radius? That's one 8 centimeter. That means it is also 8 centimeter. Why? Because it is a common. Check it, this one. The downside is a circle. It is also circle. It joint. It's common. So the radius is also 8 centimeters. Okay, guys. Next one, heights are there. See, the height of the cylindrical first one and the conical portion is 10 centimeters, 6 centimeters. First one, what is the height of the cylinder? First what the number here? 10. So that is H1. H1 is a 10 centimeters. Next one, height of that height of the cone. This height H is equal, H2 is equal to how much is there? 6 centimeters. But in this case, height, the radius you have considered the height. Why? It is a sphere. Off of the sphere. So that is a radius of, you take it, that height of the hemisphere. Now see. First you write the dimensions of the cone, next you write the dimensions of the cylinder, or next you write the dimensions of the hemisphere. That is better. I write side by side. First one, dimensions of cylinder. Dimensions of cylinder. Cone. First part is a cone, so first cone. In the cone, H2 is there, height is equal to 6 centimeters. Radius R is equal to 8 centimeters. Find immediately slant height. It is use it. L. How to find out? L square is equal to H square plus R square. L square is equal to H. H means H2 right now here. Why? It is a cone portion. That place write the H2 value. H2 value is 6 square. R 8 square. So 6 into 6 plus 8 into 8. 6 6 are 36 plus 64. That is L square. L square is equal to, this is 100. L is equal to root 100. L is equal to root 10 into 10, that is equal to 10 centimeters. L is equal to 10 centimeters. Guys, the cone portion, all values are ready. H2 value, H2 means height of the cone. Radius of the cone 8 centimeters. L value is equal to 10 centimeters. Ready. Next one, dimensions of cylinder, second part. dimensions of cylinder. Cy means cylinder. See the figure? H1 is represented height of the cylinder. So H1 is equal to, from the figure, H1 means height of the cylinder. So H1 is equal to 10 centimeters. Radius R is equal to 8 centimeters. Don't write that radius is a different R1, R2, no mention it. Why? It is a common radius of all combinations figures. That's why I write simply R. But the portions is different. Cone portion and cylinder portion, hemisphere portions are different. That's why I different letters are use it. I mean H1, H2, H3. Okay. Now, so this is right. Next one, dimensions of hemisphere. So just only one dimension is there, that is the radius. R is equal to 8 centimeters. Okay guys, so this combination all measurements are ready. It is very easy. This all of the given in the sum. Now you do it the work of the solid. Yes, surface area of solid. Yes, it's a combination of this one. Simply write C, curved surface area of core plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. It's very wonderful the sum. Yeah, see, what you know, curved surface area of the cone. See, check it here, the show in that chart. Cone, curved surface area formula, pi or L. So, I write here, pi or L. Pi or L. Plus, curved surface area of the cylinder. See, curved surface area of the cylinder. This is a cylinder, curved surface area. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. Check it, the last one. Hemisphere, curved surface area. This one, black surface area, curved surface area, both are same. That's a 2 pi r. So 2 pi r square. Wait, in this all cases the radius is common base, common radius of the base. So don't any change that R letters. But height is different. This is a H1. Why? In the cylinder height is equal to H1 represent. So that's one I write that H1. Remind anyone is not changed. Guys, here how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. In the 3 terms, any one is common, you are checking. That's one pick outside. See, here pi r, here pi r, here pi r. Come, pick out pi r. What remember in the first term? L plus. Pi r is common. What remember here? 2 2h1 plus h. Here pi r is common. Here remember 2r. Okay guys. Now see, pi value is there. Pi value is equal to 3.14. So this place I write the 3.14. What is the radius r? R is equal to 8. So 8 of L, slant height of the core. You get this value 10. So write that 10. Plus 2 into H1 means height of the cylinder. That is equal to 10. So 2 of 10. Plus 2R. 2 into radius of the sphere. 8. Now simplify this one. These two are the multiplication. Why? It's outside of this bracket. Here, these two terms of bracket is there. Should be multiplication of that one. 8 fours are 32. 3 is remember. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 1. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 1 25. Two numbers, one point is there. You write the point. 25.12 of see 10 plus. Here simplify the bracket terms. 10 plus 2 tens are 20 plus 2 eights are 60. Yes, add 25.12 of 10 plus 20 30. 30 plus 16 46. Now should be multiplication. 25.12 into 46. Yes, how many times this one? 6 twos are 12. 6 ones are 1 plus 7. 6 fives are 33. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 3 50. Leave it one space. 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 fives are 22. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 2 10. 2 15 1 5 5 1 1. So here 1 1 5 5 2. After two numbers 1 point. So that's finally 1155.52 centimeters square. These all measurements are units mentioned in centimeters. You find out the surface area. So that's units is a centimeter square. Okay guys, the sum is easy or tough? I think it is very easy. When it is easy, you are learning that very well that formulas. That's time it is very easy. Okay, in this topic I do the one more sum that is a very important sum. Right. Third question. Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeters cube are joined end to end together. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Guys, first you study the sum and read it. That means two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube. In this sum, how many cubes are there? Two cubes. The two cubes each one volume is 64 centimeter cube. Are joined end to end together. The two cubes are joined end to end together. So it's find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. When it's join the two cubes, immediately the two cubes join end to end. The length is changed. So the two cubes when it's joined, it's form of another solid, new solid. That's the solid name. It's form of the solid name cuboid. So you find out the cuboid surface. It's not mentioned the total surface area and the curved surface area. You find out 2, it's better. Once you remember generally the cube and cuboid formula, the cuboid of lateral surface area formula 2h of L plus B, the cube of total surface area 2 of LB plus BH plus HL, the cuboid of volume formula LBH. The cube of lateral surface area formula 4a square, the cube of total surface area 6a square, the cube of volume of the 6a. In this case, which one formula you selected? First one, cube volume combination. Volume of cube is equal to A cube is selected. Why? Because each one volume is there. Next one, you have selected the cuboid. So cuboid, this one. This one for cuboid lateral surface area formula selected and total surface area selected. Here 2h of L plus B, 2 of LB plus BH plus L. Okay, right? See, first one, I draw the rough diagrams. See, one is a cube. This is a cube. And next one is another cube. Yes. Here how many cubes are there? 2 cubes are there. Each one cube volume is equal to, suppose I think this cube length is equal to A. This one cube length is also A. Just you take it as well. Suppose let each one cube of side be A units. Then volume is equal to A. But given each one volume, how much is given? 64. So A cube is equal to 64. A cube is equal to 64. You write 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4. A cube is equal to, how many 4s are there? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So simply you write 4 cube. So powers are the same. That situation you take it the base are equal. So finally A is equal to 4. That means this side is equal to 4. Friends, this side is also 4. Height is also 4. Right? Cube. Length, breadth, height are the same. I have explained that part 1. So length, breadth, height. Length have taken the A, that is equal to 4 centimeters. Breadth is also taken the A, that is equal to 4 centimeters. Height also taken that A is equal to 4 centimeters. Now same apply in the second one. It is a 4 centimeters. A is equal to 4 centimeters. This one is also 4 centimeters. This is also 4 centimeters. Both are the same lengths. Now what you do it? And means end to end together. End to end together. It's form one of the figure that is a cuboid. That is a cuboid. See, like this here form. See this one. Yes, the two figures is joined here. It's form one new figure, that is a cuboid. That is a cuboid like this. See, this is a yes. Next part, this one. Okay, here see end to end together, end to end together. This important point. That means what is this length? A is equal to 4. What is this length? A is equal to 4. In the cuboid, let's one take out the L. Why? It is a length of the cuboid. Length of the cuboid is equal to A plus L. A 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeters. So that means this total length you have considered that 8 centimeters. How much? 8 centimeters. Remaining is no change. Height you take it the same. The height h is equal to, that's one is equal to 4 centimeters. And breadth also b is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay guys. So according to the problem, length is equal to 4x a plus a, that is equal to 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8 centimeters. Breadth b is equal to 4 centimeters, that is equal to a, that is equal to 4 centimeters. Height, that is a is equal to 4 centimeters. Now you find out that total surface area and lateral surface area of the cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. 2 of L means 8. B means 4, 8 into 4 plus this one 4 into 4 plus H 4 into 8. Okay guys, once remember 2 to bring down L value. See this one L is equal to 8 centimeter, fix here, into B value 4 plus BH, B value is equal to 4, H value is equal to 4. So 4 into 4 plus HL. H value is equal to 4, L value is equal to 8. So 4. Here 2 of C 8 4s are 32 plus 4 4s are 16. Again 8 4s are 32. So 2 into, guys, 32 plus 32, 64. So 64 plus 16. 2 of 64 plus 16. See, count the rough. So 4 plus 6, 10, 0, 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So 80. 2 80s, 160. Yes, this is a total surface area in the mentioned centimeters, so centimeters square. But in the sum only given that surface areas, it's not mentioned specific. But actually the cuboid two space of the lateral surface area, total surface area. Now I find out the total surface area of the cuboid. Next I find the lateral surface of the cuboid. What is the lateral surface of cuboid formula? 2h of L plus B. That's one also find out. Yes, second one. Lateral surface area of cuboid equal to 2h of L plus B. 2h of L plus B. 2 of h value is equal to 4, L value is equal to 8, B value is equal to 4. See this one here. So 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. In the simplification of the bracket terms, 8 plus 4, 12. So 8 equals 96 centimeter square. So 96 centimeter square is a lateral surface area of the cuboid. 160 centimeter square is a total surface area of the cuboid. The cuboid, how it's formed? The two cubes are joined end to end together. It's formed the cuboid. That's why. So in this session, the complete of the third subtopic, the surface area of the combination of the solids. Next one more topic discuss about the next session. Okay.